Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie, and if you're new here, I would really like it if you subscribed, hit the like button, and enjoy this video. Today, drum roll please, I finally got my Jeffree Star mystery box. It's the Christmas winter box. This is the second largest box. He had 4 boxes, a small one for $25, a medium one for $60. This one was, I can't remember. I'll put up the prices right here. I wanted the big one. They were all gone. So I got the second to largest box here. This is it. A lot of people don't like him as a person, but his makeup, chef's kiss. Oh yeah, by the way, Happy New Year 2020. Bye bitch. See you later. 2021, here we go. So let's open it up. Let's get into it. I just want to get right into it. If you're interested in seeing what I got in my Jeffree Star Christmas mystery box, that's after Christmas. Let's do this. Oh, look. Oh, what do we got here? Excuse me. Rude. Oh, it's just a bunch of... Hi, guys. It's Editing Jamie here. Say hi, Ace.
Hi.
This file was corrupted. The audio had a lot of interference. I did figure out the problem, but I had already videoed this, so it's too late now. If you have headphones in, this is your headphone warning. There is some like static, like I tried to edit out like 95% of it, but there is a few instances where I just couldn't edit it out because I was in the middle of a sentence. So just warning on that, there is a little bit of static here and there. It's not horrible. It's not gonna blow your ears out or anything, but I thought I would just give you a heads up.
Hi.
Paper, like literally, they didn't even try to pack it. It's literally just tissue paper folded up. The first thing I see, you guys, is this. Ah, look what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll put this down for a second. The first thing is the Orgy palette. I already know it's the Orgy palette. It has the wrapping and everything. Sadly though, you guys, I already own this. It's actually the big boy. All right, and I'll actually open up this one since I already have it. But this is great because this means I can gift this or sell it or put it in a giveaway. Hey. So let's check this out though. I'll open it up. I don't want to rip the pretty tissue. All right, so this is the Orgy palette here. I think this retails for like $58. So just pretend that I pulled this out of this. As you can see, he has some very provocative poses, and obviously the name of the palette is very provocative. You know, don't come for me just because I have this on my channel. It's just, that's what he named it. But the palette, forget the name, forget this, the sexualization. Look at this. You can see I've used it quite a bit. I like to keep these because my kids sometimes get into my makeup. It's not a big deal. If my kids get into my makeup, they get into my makeup, okay? Like, have you guys seen that video of that mom, like, getting very angry with her toddler for getting into her makeup and, like, beating her toddler? And then she got on YouTube and, like, recorded a video. My kids actually really enjoy my makeup. I don't think they would destroy it. And if they did, whatever. So, beautiful neutral palette. I absolutely love this palette. This is like, literally I could just use this every day. If I had to pick one palette to have and have to get rid of all my other palettes, this is it right here. It kind of sucks that I got that in this box because that's like the big ticket item, but that's okay. I can live with that. I'm totally fine with that because obviously I didn't get it in an old mystery box or anything. Like, that's a great, like, if you got a mystery box and you didn't own the Orgy palette, you're gonna be so excited that you got that. Like, oh, I would be so pumped if I wasn't able to get that and then I opened this and that was there. I would have lost my marbles, you guys. Lost my marbles. All right, next item up we have in the box is, ooh, it's a little t-shirt. I love Jeffree Star's merch. I think it's so cute. It's in a small, it's a long sleeve. Oh my gosh, this just made me so much more happy. I thought it was just gonna be a t-shirt and I was like, oh, cute t-shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt, you guys. And it has like the cusp ends. Oh my god, I might have to put this on right now. And on the back it has a freaking snowflake. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. The cutest. And on the sleeve, oh my gosh, I have to try this on right now. Okay, ready? Slap it on. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, can you guys see it? Look at the back. It's got the snowflake on the back. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It does smell a little funky, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. It smells a little funky, but I feel like I look really washed out. Let me get my shirt on, all right? Just give me a second. Forgot to mention, ironically, I am wearing the Orgy palette on my eyes. I always, if I'm wearing neutrals, 9 times out of 10, I am wearing the Orgy palette or the Raw Beauty Kristi X Pure Cosmetics collab. But this shirt, you guys, this shirt just did it for me. And I just looked down and realized what's next in the box. I'm freaking out. What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My best friend Aspen is gonna be so jealous. I bet you right now as she's watching this, are you jealous? Are you freaking out? I'm freaking out, dude. I'm freaking out. Oh, I might have to give this to her. Like, she loves Shane Dawson. I mean, I love Shane Dawson too, but that's another controversy. But this is the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star lipstick bundle. Oh my gosh, these are so awesome. Obviously, like, I probably will never wear this like pale pink. Maybe I could like do an ombre like I did today. I'm wearing Jeffree Star smoky ombre silver pink lip. Like, who am I? Oh my god. I figured I'd do Jeffree Star makeup since I was doing a Jeffree Star unboxing. I don't know. I'm gonna throw up pictures of like the retail prices of all of these items. The gloss, it's so shiny. My camera's like having a hard time. The gloss in Pretzel Drip. I don't remember this being in the one of his shades, unless Pretzel Drip. That kind of sounds like Christmassy. Did I get an exclusive Christmas lip gloss? I know there's supposed to be like two exclusive or 3 exclusive items. I know this shirt's one, obviously. So is this another? No, this is out of the Orgy collection, I'm pretty sure, because it has the tan lid there. But look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is absolutely beautiful. It's gold. Oh my gosh, should I put some on right now? It's beautiful, and I already ruined the wand. All right, what do we got next? Gemini. I think it's a liquid lip. I'm assuming it's a liquid lip, but you can use his liquid lips as liners too. We'll swatch a little bit of it here. Oh yeah, it's like a perfect mauve-y pink. Oh, it's very beautiful. Oh, I'm excited. I'm pretty sure I have like a lipstick of his that looks just like this, but I can't hold it anymore. I saw this sitting here. I have to hold it up. I wanted one of these so bad, and I just told myself, you don't need to buy an $18 tube of lipstick. So happy one was in the mystery box. He just released these in 2020, at the end of 2020. Velvet Trap. It's his new lipsticks. They're just like a bullet lipstick. They are beautiful. I hope my cameras are gonna pick it up, but this is what it looks like. It comes in like a bullet, obviously. This is the shade Dominatrix, which is his dog's name. This color, you guys. This color. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm gonna be able to zoom you guys in here. Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Maybe if I hold it up against this box, you can see that it has Jeffree Star logo on it imprinted, and it's called Velvet Trap because it's very velvety. I don't know, I can't decide between this or the lipstick bundle, but I honestly think this is my favorite item so far. Oh, I have to zoom you guys back out. Okay, this, you guys, oh my gosh, this is probably, oh, and it's magnetic. Watch this. It's not going to come undone in your purse. This is like soft matte feeling. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I'm so happy. In this brown, this chocolate brown, I will wear this. It's like a warm tone chocolate brown. I'm so happy about this. Oh my gosh, this is like super exciting, you guys. This box really did it. Like, this is so awesome. I'm so happy. Last item, I have a liquid lip in Unicorn Blood. Ooh, I think I already own Unicorn Blood. I know this is a very popular red. Yes, I do own this. I own this one already, so I probably will either gift this or put this in a giveaway. I got this vanity for Christmas from my beautiful, amazing husband. He got me this vanity for Christmas, and he was the sweetest thing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a little Christmas vlog of the gifts I got. My husband went all out this year, and he really spoiled me, and I'm so blessed and so thankful for him. Anyways, I'm trying to get everything out so I can show you guys each individual item in the box. This box, you guys, I'm telling you, this was the best mystery box I've had since, I'd say, Valentine's Day last year. And this is definitely by far the best mystery box I've gotten. So I got the Orgy palette. I got this amazing long sleeve shirt, Shane Dawson Jeffree Star lip kit. Both of these items right here paid for the box, I'm pretty sure. And then I got 4 lippies. This is amazing. Especially this, like, this is a collector's item. Like, this is awesome. I'm so happy about this, and so happy about the Velvet Trap lipstick or the lip liner. I will be able to use the lip liner and the lipstick together, and they're gonna look so good. Oh my gosh. And the gloss. And you guys, everything is just so awesome in this box. All right, you guys, well, that's everything in my Jeffree Star Christmas mystery box. I am very happy, obviously, as you guys can tell. I do love Jeffree Star, and I absolutely adore his makeup. His makeup is so good. Anything that you get, honestly, from him is going to be great. It's going to be high quality, highly pigmented. It is really great makeup. Even my husband, whether he likes to admit it or not, stands Jeffree Star makeup. When I show him this stuff, he's like, wow, this is really nice. Like, he even understands, like, the quality. So that's saying a lot, because he is like a manly man. You know what I mean? Like, driving cars and stuff, you know, all that cool stuff. Yeah, that's the kind of guy he is, and he enjoys this pristine makeup. That's why I get these mystery boxes, because I know it's really good makeup, and I know no matter what I get, it's at least gonna be high quality makeup. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a like, comment down below, tell me what your favorite thing was, and definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Like, what are you doing? You made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet? Like, girl, what are you doing? Also, if you guys are interested in me doing a review, maybe like a look with these two palettes, a review, I totally can if you guys are interested in that. Also, coming next, I have the Raw Beauty Kristi ColourPop collection. I got the palette and a gloss, and I'm going to be unboxing and trying on and reviewing that. Also, I got a polygel nail kit. I don't know if you guys have seen those ads on Instagram, but they hooked, lined, and synced me. I'm gonna have like salon grade nails from home. So if you guys are interested in those videos, they will be coming soon, so definitely subscribe. Turn your notification bell on so that you're notified every time little old me uploads a video. And you know the deal, do all the cool YouTube jazz, share, comment, like, and until next time, I love you guys so much. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!